Okay, so what is OmniFlash? A lot of creators don't know about this, and I think it's an underrated feature. Let's quickly just go into it. Let's not mess about. Loading, how do we get to it? You can use it several different ways. First thing we need to do is make sure we're on OmniFlash. Download, use it, video, ingredient. We're going to do it at 16 by 9. You can see at the bottom there, 25 credits will be used. How do we use it? Well, it's an agent form now. So you can just feed like and it will create just a basic prompt and it will create it. So I've got a couple of prompts lined up. Let's find them for you. Oops, come out there, go back into there. So we're going to do a quick prompt and I'll just get this prompt. I'm not going to give it anything else. We're just going to give it this one's a young woman in a black dress. Walk slowly through the rain-soaked London streets at a night. Camera track alongside the shoulders. So we've got a basic prompt that it's got a smooth dolly motion. Warm ambient street light, reflect wet pavement, cinematic flow, and that other. And this is going to be 8 seconds. We can go at 10, you can go at 4 or 6. I'm just going to save some credits and go at 6 seconds because I don't think we need a mass amount just for showing you how to use it. So I will just generate. Let me just go there. Up in the there you'll see it generate. It takes maybe a minute to generate. So I have noticed with Omni, sometimes it'll say error, won't load, or other issue. A lot of it's the issue if you put a realistic face in there. It doesn't seem to like it, but then the next time it'll do it, which is quite bizarre, but it does do. While we're waiting for that, we're there, let's have a look and see how, excuse me, let's come back out of that zoom. I keep forgetting to set the zoom. So we'll quickly just look at it. I'll be honest, that's on me, that simple prompt. Right, good. How good that is, that's fantastic. So what else can we do? Basically, we can change this video now, which is incredible when you think about it. As you say, at the bottom there, let's quickly zoom in so you can see it. It says, describe your edit. You can just change whatever you want and you can just put it in general words, whatever you want, and change. Have a little go at that. Come out of that. Okay, so I've put a little edit in there. I've basically said, make this edit. Warm late afternoon sunlight catches her head. Shadows on the pavement. Cinematic film grain. And let's see what it does. Now it should re-edit this video and it should be evening afternoon. So okay, as you can see there, for some reason it failed to generate that prompt. Now there's no violation there. Let's have a quick look. Let's generate, make a new edit on late afternoon. There's no violation there, so I'm just going to try it again, see if it goes through this time. Okay, as you can see, it's done. I don't know why it failed on the first one. Just doing this now. No rain. Just walking on the screen. The exact same video. But you can actually do so much with this. It is incredible. What I will do next, we'll download a video and then we'll edit a video from online just to change the effect to show you how to do that. First, we need to mention the tokens. How much with the tokens? Just paste them like catch, not tell you. Editing the video, I think it's about 25, 30 credits. It can add up. So if you have a video that you've just made, that's 25 odd credits. If you edit it, suddenly 60 credits for one video. It can some mount up, and I don't think you get that much on a free account. I think you get something like maybe 45 seconds of generations, and I think you have to wait 4 or 5 hours for it to start again. So be aware of that. If you're on a paid account, more, but it's still not that generous. Just be aware there is some limitations to using it. Okay, what I'll do next is I'll get a new project, just download a video, upload a media for the rights to use. Simply upload that media. You've got to be aware of when you are uploading the media as well is you can't have anything over 10 seconds, it'll just reject it. Because obviously it's only a 10-second video generator. So anything over that it just won't accept. Just be aware. Okay, now let me just come out of there. Now it's uploaded the video, to be able to get it into actual, see here, you can just click that was for that video. Now we want this video. And you just simply add to, all I'm going to say is change it to the beat. Change the background to the beat. Morning day. That should get rid of all that and just have these legs walking on the beach. Might not do it because it's got legs on, who knows. We'll give it, again, it didn't allow me to do it. Now I don't know whether it was because I had it in a landscape and it was a portrait, so I've put it in the queue and put it so it's violated. I don't think we're going to be able to do this one because it's got these legs on. It just shows you how sensitive this model can actually be. So we'll try another video and we'll just edit it. In fact, let's have a look, see what we can do. In here, you can go to your recent, twist, old video, all art. So if you go into here, it shows you what you've been working on those days. You were working on some, I was working on some housing for a friend of mine to sell his house. I don't want that one. Let's go here. 24th, see what we've got. This is a 10-second video that we made, but we'll put that in there. So now we've got the character is this woman. You can just create a video. It's not really what I wanted to show you. let me another video online and then we'll start from. Okay, I'm uploading a video that I took from Higgsfit using one of their platforms, templates, see if it uploads. This is the only downside with it. It is very, really like using real people. I think over time it'll start to lose customers if you can't use them people or people you want to. We'll wait for that to load up and then we'll start to get videos loaded. So we just find the video we've just uploaded, which is this one here. Let's turn her into Lego. Turn into Lego. But it should know what it's doing because Google, obviously, on the internet basically, so they've trained it on everything that's ever been out there. 7 seconds. We'll do it 7 seconds. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it turns this into a Lego person. That one failed. I'm going to try a different approach. It's going to say remove the person and turn the race cars into cartoon style 2D race cars. Let's see how it does with it. Okay, we're still getting some failing, so I'm going to try a different one here. We've got a swimming pool up into that one, so you can see. I'm just going to turn it into custard. See how it handles. Also, while we're there, AI also do an Omni video. I tried to do it on there as well. I thought, oh, he'll do it, but it failed. I don't know why. I think it may be something to do with real life human. It just doesn't like it. We'll go back and try that, see what's happening here. That's failed as well. Can't check it. It's very hit and misses because it's middle of the day and everything's a bit busy. Still failed. Try something different. I've just engaged agent mode. Sure, it's, you know it's on because it's highlighted. Not on. It's not on. Basically said this time, just put it, make it into web. And that will go through the agent workflow and we should get it up. What would you like to kick off this video generated cost? So it tells you how much it's going to cost, 40 credit. We'll just approve. Maybe the agent video has been scheduled. It's waiting in the queue. Due to high demand, feel free to check in. I've got a feeling it might be the high demand that it's done it, but that doesn't look like red one. That's just the old. I think it's just due to the fact that there's high demand, it's middle, which is quite odd. Let's try this. Go to here and let's see if we can change it. Change into red wine. I was saying if you go to Key AI, put your video in there, your PNG in there, your character, you got to put a character in, you can add a character to that. This should be a bit better, but it's Omni model, so it might still be using trick guide. Let me just go back, but it is quite pricey as you can see here. 4 seconds is 90 credits, which is 45 seconds, 120. So when you're looking at the 720 or 1080 is 240 credits, about $0.2 or £1 in sterling. Kind of expensive getting it, so it's still fake. We've got some issues with Gemini today. I'll probably end the video there, come back with another one. So I hope you get the idea how to use it. Let's just quickly go back over it. So I'll show you the characters. If you want a character, add it from a pro. Just have to find a project with your character. Like we've got a character, do that properly. That's to make your character. And select a voice, add your description in. Let's go. Go out of there, in away. So you go back to character, go there. You can have the untitled one there, and you just add it to, and that will make a video with that character. I'm going to waste credits, but you get the idea. You just put whatever you want in there and it does it for you. That's in the agent mode. That's just the normal mode. Change the or whatever. So I use the character. I need to rename that. Just type it now and you know where it should be able to put. I'll come up with your ones there. So you just do it's in the prompt, so you don't actually need that. Walking in the park. I'm going to do 8 seconds. I'm going to do 4. We'll save some credits. Let's see if it's still okay. First video didn't quite work. I thought when you put at it would have done it, but it hasn't. It's made a very similar model, but not the one. Did it again with the character.
It's such a beautiful day to be outside today.
That's the character. Obviously, I didn't want any sound, but I didn't put it in the prompt, so you just have to be a bit more vigilant with your prompts. Got all these tools. I'm not going to go into that, otherwise the video will get into about 19 hours. Stop it there. I hope that was cleared anything up for you, apart from it not working correctly, but I think that's due to the high demand rather than the edges. So made the video, but it didn't.